Welcome to another video at Makwala Agri. So today, guys, we found one of our chicken which has died. So it's a mortality from our house. This is the fourth mortality since we started raising these chickens about 3 weeks back. So this is one of the chickens. So I have my surgeon Konje, what do you call those things that go the surgery? It's a surgeon knife and what, you know, those things the doctors use to perform operations and so on. So I have my here. It's a this one actually is from Hans, I think, because it's a brown bottle. So I'm gonna be performing postmortem on our chicken. So one of the important ways to actually know the cause of the problem in your house is through performing postmortem. So this is gonna tell us what actually happened to our chicken. It seems like in fact to our knife is not making sure, man. Boy, Dr. Mazibugu, this knife is not working, man. Dr. Tou, your knife is not make sure. I don't have a cameraman today. Let me just zoom myself and show you. So my cameraman is busy today, guys. So I'm just gonna quickly zoom it out for you on my own and show you what has happened. So because the stomach is too big, I already actually thought about it, and it is the problem that I'm thinking it is. So one of the cause of mortality, it's actually water belly. As you can see, there's water coming out. I hope you can see it, guys. I cannot see what's happening on the phone now, but I hope you can see what I'm talking about. So here's the water coming out from our chicken stomach. So this is water belly. This is the cause of mortality. So it's called water belly. So I'm gonna be sharing with you the cause of water belly in a minute. So yeah, this is actually water belly, but I'm surprised because I'm not feeding high protein feed, but actually we are having a water belly problem. So do you see there's a water coming out, and there's a lot of this white things that looks like there's a lot of fat coming out of the chicken. Sometimes English run away. This is the cause of our actually problem. So I will tell you what has been happening while we are having a water belly. And it is summertime now, and a lot of farmers, they're gonna be facing this problem. So most of farmers now, they're gonna be facing some water belly problems, and one of the reasons being is that because it's summertime, firstly, and most of you guys love feeding a high protein feed, and that's another cause of actually water belly. And I will tell you why I'm saying it's a cause of water belly. You gotta make sure that you have a proper ventilation, and with me, why I'm having this kind of now, it's because my ventilation was not poor, but it's during rainy season. So there were days where I didn't open my side, and it will be hot and it will be raining at the same time. So you'll find that inside the house it's really hot, and then outside is raining, so I cannot open my side. So that's another reason why I ended up having a water belly. But if you have a fan, you can just plug it and run it inside the house to actually cool down the temperature in the house. Remember that chickens are the enemy of heat, and chicks are the enemy of coldness. This is Makwala Agri, yours truly from South Africa. Dango.